Hi guys, so for today's video I'm gonna read this Craig's cookie. So we're gonna eat cookies. Let's try. There's even a sticker over here. Hard to open. How do bloggers do it? Card. Rainbow LGBT. I have six. I made a mess. So I have 6 flavors. I have the classic. I'm gonna try the classic first. I think this is the classic. Classic. And then I have the sesame flavor. You got sesame seeds. This one, I think this is mint flavor because it's color green. Mint. I don't know what that is. This one, I forgot what flavor is this. I don't know. The first one is the red velvet. This is the red velvet, and this is the chili chocolate chips, and I can taste it. It has aftertaste. It's so spicy. And this one, I forgot what is this. It's got sprinkles. Messy. I remember now. It's the caramel stuff cookie because there's caramels inside. sweet enough. I like them all. This one is my favorite. Sesame seeds. Yummy.